In this video, I will show you how to write the phosphorus electron configuration in few seconds. So look, phosphorus is an element, right? Its atomic number is 15. Its atomic number 15 means it has 15 electrons. So usually we distribute electrons to different subshell. So we have S, P, D, F subshell, right? Usually we use this 4 subshell. So this is our first subshell, second, third and fourth. You know that S subshell can take maximum 2, P can take maximum 6 and D subshell can take maximum 10 and F subshell can maximum 14. So S, P, D, F. So we'll distribute these electrons to this. So look, write SS, then write PS, PS twice, PS, PS twice, then write DPS, DPS, DPS twice, right? And then write FDPS, FDPS, FDPS. You can write any number, right? And this will continue. So you will write SS just once, then PS, PS 2 and DPS, DPS 2, and then you can write FDPS to any number. So say with me, forget this, SS, PS, PS, DPS, DPS, FDPS, 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 right? So now let me distribute these 15 electrons, 2, 4, 10, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So already we have distributed all the electrons. So let us put the number before S, P, right? So S start from 1S, then second S will be twice S and third S will be third S. Then P start from twice P, then here will be 3P. So this is the electron configuration of phosphorus. This is the ground state electron configuration of phosphorus, or you can say this is the an abbreviated form of electron configuration of phosphorus, or shorthand electron configuration of phosphorus. Longhand electron configuration of phosphorus. So now we are going to write the shorthand or abbreviated or noble gas electron configuration for phosphorus. So phosphorus atomic number is 15. Here we have to select a noble gas that's atomic number is immediately lower than 15. That will be neon. So neon has 10 electrons. So this is the structure electron configuration of neon. So neon, then we are getting here 3s2, 3p3. So this is the electron configuration for phosphorus using noble gas notation. And how many valence electron does phosphorus have? Phosphorus have 5 valence electron. From the electron configuration we can easily determine, because here the highest here the outermost shell is the third shell, right? Okay, so now I'm going to show you the second way to write the electron configuration of phosphorus. I think this second way is very very time consuming, right? So first we have to write 1s 2, then 2s 2, then 2p 6, then 3s2. So we have 2, 4, 10, 12. After 3s electron will go to 3p. 10 plus 5, 15. So this is the electron configuration in ground state. Okay, in excited state what will happen? Look, after 3p we have uh, after 3p, then we have 4s. So in ground state, what will happen? In third shell, we have 3s, 3p and 3d, right? In excited state, look here we have to put here 3 because phosphorus has 15, right? Phosphorus has 15. So look, 2, 4, 10, 12, 15. In excited state, what will be the electron configuration of phosphorus in excited state? Look, here we have 3s, then 3p, right? So in excited state, one electron from 3s will go to the empty 3d orbital, and thus we'll get look, 3s, 1, then 3p, 1, 1, 1, then 3d. 3d will have 5 chamber, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In excited state, one electron from 3s will go to 3d. In excited state, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unpaired electron, right? But in ground state, we have 3. In ground state, we have 3 unpaired electrons. So thanks for viewing this video. Be well.